If you are planning a cruise on the MSC Seashore and thinking about booking a balcony suite, you need to see this first.
Today we're on room 13169 on the MSC Seashore, leaving out of Port Canaveral, Florida. This is a Bella Experience room. It's a really nice room with a balcony. First I'll kind of show the restroom here. It is kind of small, but it's definitely works well. Nice restroom, nice shower. Everything's very clean. Smells clean, feels clean. Definitely a great staff here on the MSC Seashore. Very friendly. Everyone has been great so far. Super attentive and super helpful. Customer service has been excellent. So this is the room. There is a nice sofa area here. A nice closet for storage. Actually plenty of storage, shelves, drawers. A safe. Always great to lock away the passports, anything valuable. Also room to hang up any clothes. More storage, shelves. It is a very modern room, which makes it really nice. A nice, I think this is actually maybe either a queen or a king size bed, but super comfortable. Again, everything's very clean, ready to go for us. Nice TV, plenty of outlets here for phone or laptop charging. There is a mirror. You have seating here. There's a seat and a small table. More drawer storage. There is a hair dryer. Also, there's a stocked refrigerator. Did want to note this is not included in any drink package. So these items are an extra charge, but very convenient for anybody that may want to have a beverage or even a snack. There's a few snack items here. There's an ice container, a few glasses for water, and then there's the balcony. Pretty nice balcony, decent size. Nice view. We're still in Port Canaveral here. There's a few other ships. Disney, Carnival, and Norwegian cruise lines. Overall, it's a really nice ship, really nice room, and so far everything has been excellent.